Yo, what's good? Platinum Hands contractors in the building. Know y'all wonder what we've been working on. So we got most of this basement framed out down here. I know y'all probably remember what it looked like before it was framed out. So yeah, we got ready to start throwing this drywall up. We got rooms situated, everything. All of this is, got a whole bedroom, closet, all of that good stuff. We got the furnace room right here, all framed out, ready to be drywalled. We got the bathroom right here, closet up, towel area for the bathroom right here, all of that good stuff. Main living area, basement area, whatever you want to call it. All of this framed up, and then back over here gonna be washer and dryer, utility sink, and a little bit of storage up under the stairs or whatever. But yeah, we got it all framed up, and we getting ready to start drywalling. And after the drywall, then we gonna tile all this. We know how we do. Platinum Hands contractors, give us a call. No job too big, no job too small. We do it all. This could be your place, so don't hesitate to call. Enjoy y'all day.